Alright guys, we are here today at 1332 North 50th Street. We're going to take a look at unit number 2 here, which we have right in front of us. But first we'll take a quick look around the neighborhood. So you can see you share this cool little courtyard area with units 1 and 3. And then you'll have your own private backyard and all of that once we take a step into number 2 here. So as you can see, I mean, this is a very, very nice brand new unit. You can see all the fresh paint, the beautiful flooring all throughout. You know, you can see how nice, light, and bright it is in here. So, I mean, even though that this is a smaller unit, it still feels very, very nice. You know, it's a wide open space, very open concept, and you have tons of natural light, as well as really nice ceiling lights. You know, so it's real nice and bright in here. And over here off the main living area, you're going to have your kitchen, which you can see has some beautiful backsplash back there. All stainless steel appliances, some really nice granite countertops. And all of these appliances are going to stay with the home, which is just really nice. You don't have to worry about providing your own fridge or anything like that. So back here off of your kitchen, you're going to have a little backyard area. You know, so you have tons of space. You can easily, you know, put a grill back here, have some friends and family. You know, if you have any pets, that could work out as a nice space for them as well. So that's about it for this side of the home. Let's go ahead over here, and you're gonna have your washer and dryer nice and tucked away over here. And then your bathroom in here, which you can see the really cool shower tiles in there. You know, again, beautiful cabinetry, beautiful countertops. I mean, there's really nice high level finishes in this home. And then we're going to step into the first of 2 bedrooms. Which you can see, again, you get your ceiling fan, the nice sized closet over there. Again, all the beautiful flooring and paint all throughout. And then the second bedroom is kind of a copy of the first. It's up here, right next to the front door. And as you can see, again, another closet and just some really high-end finishes in here as well. So that's going to be about it for the tour of this home, guys. As you can see, we have a really nice unit here. If you have any questions, you want to come see it for yourself, you can do that all through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.